In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add competitors in Semrush. Whether you're a digital marketing newbie or a seasoned pro, understanding how to efficiently track your competitors can provide you with valuable insights and an edge in the SEO game. So, let's dive into this step-by-step process designed to make competitor analysis a breeze. First, let's begin the journey by opening your preferred web browser. This can be anything from Chrome to Safari or Firefox, depending on what you're most comfortable using. Once your browser is up and running, head over to the search bar. Here, you'll need to type in the keyword Semrush to quickly locate their official website. Navigate to it, and if you have an account, make sure you're logged in to access all the necessary tools we'll be discussing today. Now, for today's task, we are looking at the manual addition of competitors. To start this process, locate and click on the position tracking tool within Semrush. This is a really powerful feature that allows you to monitor how you're doing with specific keywords compared to others in the industry. If at this point you're starting a new campaign, Semrush will kindly prompt you to add your target keywords along with a preferred location. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for how your data will be tracked and assessed over time, enabling you to focus on specific regions and market segments. Moving on, during the setup phase of your campaign, you will notice a dedicated section for adding competitors. This is where the magic happens. In this section, carefully enter the domain names of your key competitors. Inserting these details allows Semrush to gauge their performance against yours on shared search terms. This insight can be instrumental in shaping your strategy moving forward. Now, once you've added all your desired competitors, the next logical step is to initiate the tracking process. Semrush will do the heavy lifting from here, compiling all the relevant data for review. But wait, there's more. You also have the option to use the competitor's discovery feature, a nifty tool within the position tracking interface. Simply locate and click on the Competitors Discovery tab. This report is a treasure trove, showing you a list of domains that are ranking for your target keywords. It's a fantastic way to uncover potential competitors you might not have been aware of. Best of all, adding these discovered competitors to your tracking campaign couldn't be easier. With just a single click, you can expand your monitoring list and stay one step ahead in the competitive landscape. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of how to add competitors in Semrush. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking!